I'm Rene Ritchie, and this is HomePod. Starts off just like AirPods. Gives you this great interface. You press setup, choose the room. I'm going to choose dining room because why not? Continue. Personal requests, that's interesting. So you can have it handle your messages, your reminders, your notes, anytime that your iPhone is on the same network. But that also means that when you're home, other people could access that. So it depends if you want convenience or security. I'm just going to skip it for now. Terms and conditions, agreed. And now it's going to transfer over my settings, like my Wi-Fi, my accounts, all of that. So that tone is sort of like the pattern you see on an Apple Watch when you're setting that up, or just the numbers you type in on an Apple TV. It just lets you know you're pairing the right HomePod with the right iPhone. Password time, no peeking.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri, let's try it." Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play Vector Podcast.
Playing Podcast Vector with Rene Ritchie.
I'm Rene Ritchie, and this is Vector. Hey Siri, stop. Still on the crappy mic. It should be the app. Way more to come. I'm Rene Ritchie. This is the HomePod. Hey YouTube, I'm Rene Ritchie. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, and that way even more digital assistants will get their wings.